Hello and welcome back to Crazy Kernel YouTube. In this video, I'll be talking about Python conditions. There are three major conditions in Python: if, elif, and else. So one thing that's new in this video is that I'm using pycharm instead of the command prompt and notepad. So let's get started. So for my if condition, I have two variables, a equal to 200 and b equal to 300. So my if condition for this can be b if b greater than a, then I can have anything. So I'm just going to put print b is greater than a. So basically what this does is if b is greater than a, which in this case it is, then I'll go to the next line and print b is greater than a. So if this is executed, this will print. So that's what an if condition is. The elif condition is like if none of the previous conditions are true, try this condition. So elif does give another condition. So elif b less than a, then do this. So print b is less than a. Basically, if this wasn't true, the program would go to the elif statement and try this condition. So this is what elif is. The major difference between else, which I'll be explaining in just a minute, and elif is that elif gives another condition right here and else does not. So let me get an example with else. So else is like if the condition is anything other than the previous conditions, then do this. So print not greater than a. So basically this print statement can be anything. I'm just using this as an example. So else means if the condition is anything other than the previous conditions, then do this. So basically if the answer or the condition is anything other than b is greater than a, then print not greater than a. So basically in this case b is greater than a, so it would just print b is greater than a. It wouldn't go to the else condition. But if this was false and it was something other than b is greater than a, then it'd print not greater than a. So this might seem confusing at first, but after practice you'll get it. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching, and see you next time on Crazy Kernel YouTube.